A fellow scientist and other mathematician, I am delighted as I invite you to the study of integers and the use of BODMAS. In this equation, you are going to evaluate that 2 divided by 2 of 280 divided by -4 divided by 5 times 2. So we begin with the numerator. Numerator, we have this part. By use of bracket, we start with the part with the of. So you have 2 of -4. Of means times. So you have 2 times -4 is -8. Then you go to division. You have now that 2 divided by -8. This part here will become -8. So that 2 divided by -8 is -4. Then you have times 3. From of, we go to division, then multiplication. So you have -4 multiplied by 3, which is equal to -12. Then you go to addition. -12 plus 280 is 268. That is how you evaluate the numerator in this simple method instead of using BODMAS. The first thing you have of. So 2 of -4 is -8. That 2 divided by -8 is -4. -4 times 3 is -12. -12 times 280 is 262. Then you go to the denominator. In the denominator, we have, as you can see there clearly in this given equation, we have 4 divided by 5. So 4 divided by -4 divided by 5 is -4 over 5 times 2, which is -4 times 2 is -8 divided by 5. So we divide the numerator with the denominator. Numerator we obtain 268. So you have 268 divided by -8 over 5, which is the denominator. And the result here will be 268 times -5 over 8. The reciprocal of -8 over 5 is 5 over -8. So when you multiply -268 times -5, 268 times -5 will be 1340 divided by 8. This can be written in terms of mixed fraction as 167.5 or 167.5. So that is how we make use of integers and BODMAS to evaluate these simple equations following those simple method step. So recap. You break this equation into 2. You have the numerator and the denominator, and you apply the BODMAS. So first of all, you begin with the of. 2 of -4 is -8. Then you have now division, that 2 divided by -8 is -4. Then you have multiplication, -4 times 3. -4 is this one. 3 is here, is -12. A positive number multiplied by a negative number is negative. Then you have 12 times 280 is 12 plus 280 is 268. That's so you go to the denominator here. You have -4 divided by 5 times 2. So you begin with the division. -4 divided by 5 is -4 over 5 times 2. -4 times 2 is -8 divided by 5. Then now you have numerator divided by denominator. Our numerator is 268, as you can see up here, and our denominator is -8 over 5. When you are dividing a number with your fraction, you change the fraction in, you apply the reciprocal. So reciprocal of -8 over 5 is -5 over 8. And now you change the side from division to multiplication. When you multiply 268 times -5 over 8, the answer is -1340 over 8. So which can be written as -167.5 or 167.5. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on integers and BODMAS. In case you are new to this channel, kindly consider to subscribe and also to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release for You can also share with the other mathematicians so that you learn together. Bye bye for now. See you in the next presentation as we keep on learning.